Okay, yo, here we are, day 6. Let's get after this. Let's change the color of this thing. No, not red. I might we'll do that little blue. Oh, it's too late. Green. We'll do green. Okay, so let's see. What are we drinking today? We are drinking a Raptor OG, but it's a small can, you know? Let's get this thing cracking and going. Yeah. Mm, amazing. I love this energy drink, Raptor. It's like it just it's cheap, tastes amazing. It's great. Mm. All right, let's get down to it. We are in the next phase here of this calculator app. If you remember, we were messing around with that yesterday, and we had, let's see, calculator app. Let's see, basic operation. All right, we were here yesterday, and we were like, what in the literal was going on with the importing of the crate? But now we moved on. We moved on from that, and we got it all located there, and we're gonna bust out whatever's needed here. So I cheated a little bit. I looked at this exercise before I hit record because I was gonna start earlier. So that's what you got. Anyway, no coding was happening, but I got a little more affluent on what we're going to do for this challenge, because we're going to add the basic arithmetic operations, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division on our two variables, num1, num2, and we're going to store the results in variables named sum, difference, product, and quotient, and then we're going to print. So not too crazy from yesterday, and today, unfortunately, we're only do one exercise. Whoa, what happened? My light just went out. Wow, it's weird. Let's go. Let's go here. It has like a timer? I didn't know that. Maybe it just wants another color. All right, we're going back to this blue. Do we have another cool color? This is what this light looks like. Whoa! It's red. Excuse me. Yeah, let's go with that. Get that locked in. All right, anyway, messing around here. Messing around too much. Let's go. All right, so first, what do we got to do? We got to leave everything basically the same as we're going there, because we have the variables num1 and num2 set. But let's see, what do we got to do? We got to add some math. So we're going to let the sum, we're going to start with sum. That's it. So sum means to, in the traditional sense, means add together. And that is exactly what we're going to do. All right. And, I didn't mention, I'm doing these Cody.tech under the Rust pathway, because I feel like I'm getting too dependent on AI and my brain is eroding. I'm decaying. My brain is decaying because of too much AI use. So you just get kind of lazy. So I'm not letting that happen by doing these randomly painful Cody.tech challenges. But that's just how that goes. All right, so this one's kind of easy. So we're going to let the sum, we're going to let the difference, which is the subtraction. We are going to let the, what's next? We're going to let the producto equal the num1 times num2. Even though a cool thing is like the latest Rust update. So they got 1.98.0, which has this algebraic floats 32 and 64. So that's going to be cool. It's going to be a change. I haven't actually thought about what that means. But now I'm doing some math here, and I'm like, okay, probably having that, well, there's probably some efficiency there, but I'm not sure. So right now I'm just talking shit. All right, now let's see what we got. All right, so and then we're gonna print them. Easy. Do I want to? All right, so we're gonna go a little crazy on these print statements. Because I don't care about the num1, num2. I don't even have to update these print statements altogether. So we're going to print this line. But first, we got to give it the right variable that's looking for, which is the capital SUM. And then no, we don't want to do that. They want to do that. You know what I'm saying? And then we want to close it out. So which gives the variable is, I think that space is syntactically okay. Okay, and that should be it. So now I'm going to do the same with everybody else. What do they call this thing? The difference? Do you call it actual difference? Yeah, I do. Okay, not subtraction. We're calling it. I called it difference. All right. All right, and we do this again for the product. Product. Which is product, not subtraction, because that would be to print line found, and then we're gonna, what's the last one? The leftover, which is the quotient. QUOTIENT, blah blah. Blup. And we call that the quotient with a little guy. Let's see. Now let's review this thing real quick and calculator app. Dividing, division, no. All right, let's go. Let's go for it. Let's get that challenge. Now we got a problema. But what is the problem here? Okay. My output is exactly the same. No, it's not. I see the problem. I'm a freaking dumbass. These damn coding challenges. But boom! I saw the difference. It was the damn colon. I got beat by the colon. Keep your colon clean. All right. All right, let's see. Make sure you're seeing what I'm seeing. Looks like it. Formatted output. Let's see. Formatted output. All right, very good. Okay, well, with that, I think... Oh, why is the camera super fuzzy? Is it the color that fuzzed it out? Weird. I wonder if I was fuzzy the whole time. Anyways, peace. I'm out of here. I got my day 6 in. You just have to have a fuzzy camera. Strange. Hopefully it wasn't fuzzy the whole time. But if not, got a little blur. Peace.